Did you know you can use Google Maps right on your Galaxy Watch Ultra? You can search for precise locations and even navigate yourself directly from your watch. Let's walk you through how to set up this handy feature. Swipe up your watch face. You will find Google Map app pre-installed on your watch. Just tap on it to open it up. Now, if you've already used it, if you're using it for the first time, you might have to agree to some terms and conditions and grant permissions. Now, first of all, tap on the search icon and enable your watch location. Just turn it on. Go back to your maps. Now, first of all, you can go through these categories, like if you're on a tour looking for a coffee bar or a nearby restaurant, you can tap on it to get an address. Also, if you tap on a specific address and scroll down, you will see how much time it will need you to reach there by walk or other transport, whatever is available in that location. And then you can just tap on your preferred transport and navigate yourself right from your watch towards your specific address by following this arrow. By the same process, you can manually search for any address that you're searching for. When you have reached your destination, tap on this cross sign and then just tap on exit. And apart from navigating yourself, if you tap on this map icon, you will get a satellite map starting with your current location. And you will have to just follow this pointer. Hope you will reach your destination without any problem from now on. Thanks for watching.